Hello, kids! Welcome to Bacho Ki Duniya. Dope! Let's learn shapes today.
This is a circle, round and round, like a ball or the sun.
Here's a square, 4 equal sides, like a window or a box.
Rectangle co, 2 long sides and 2 short sides, like a door.
This is a T-triangle. 3 sides, 3 corners. Like a pizza slice. H-E art. Hollow, full of love. We use hearts to show we care.
Star shining bright in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Oval, long and round, like an egg.
Diamond, shining bright, like a kite in the sky.
Great job, kids! You learned all the shapes today. Circle, square, triangle, and more.